As someone who began as a USD cybersecurity student and now serves as both a professor and a practicing cybersecurity engineer, I've really seen firsthand how education and real-world experience work together to shape strong and effective professionals. I'm Richard Rositas. I'm a professor of cybersecurity engineering at the University of San Diego. When we consider key technical and soft skills, traditionally when people think cybersecurity, they picture technical skills. Networking, cloud, architecture, things like scripting and incident response, those are all very critical. But what we really define success in this field are soft skills: problem solving, communication, and teamwork. In cyber, you'll spend as much time explaining risk to people as you do to analyzing systems and data. I would say the best professionals are those who can think critically, adapt quickly, and collaborate under pressure. So when we're talking about emerging technologies, threats, and fields, technology is evolving rapidly. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used in defense and by adversaries. Right now, quantum computing is at the frontier of cryptography. And when we consider other technologies, cloud-native architectures, edge computing, the Internet of Things, and the convergence of operational technologies and information technology, all these things are reshaping attack surfaces. So when we think about how hiring managers and the process has evolved over the years, when we talk to hiring managers, a clear trend stands out. They're not just looking for degrees or certifications, they're looking for people who can apply what they've learned. Employers value candidates who build labs, who explore new tools, and who keep learning long after their academia ends. They want innovators. They want people who see security as a mission and not just as a job. So for working professionals, I believe the best way to approach this to advance their careers, for folks like me who want to keep advancing without stepping away from work or your family, I find a very practical approach is combining a structured on-site or online graduate program with modular certifications, meaning setting aside dedicated weekly learning time and using employer training resources. That's extremely helpful for me to build my skills steadily while staying effective in my current role. So it's easy enough to balance both when we consider degree programs at USD. They are designed and targeted for folks who have other things going on for working adults. The curriculum is extremely flexible and the focus there is learning. So I hope this video was helpful in helping you figure out your next steps here in cybersecurity. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below or visit cyberengineering.sandiego.edu and we'll be happy to talk to you further.